Good morning, grade 4. Welcome to the new science session. Today is Tuesday and the date is 12th of May 2020. We are taking Unit 5, Shadows. Our topic is, do all objects form shadows? We're going to follow Pupil's book, page number 111, and activity book, page number 73. So, which unit we are taking? Unit 5, Shadows. How are shadows formed? Let's get started. Our objective. Observe that shadows are formed when light is blocked. Now, let's go for a short warm-up. Are you ready with me? Let's go for it. Now, let's read a question. Can light pass through a glass window? Why? Give me the reason. Why do you think the light can pass through a glass window? So, who knows the answer? What do you think? Can light pass through the glass window? Yes, because window is a transparent material. Very good. Now, let's go for the next question. What do you see in this slide? It's a wooden door. Can light pass through a wooden door? And why is that so? Can you tell me? Think about it. So, grade 4, what do you think? Can light pass through a wooden door? No. And why is that so? Because wood is an opaque material. Perfect. So, students, open your pupils book, page number 111, write the date. What do you think? Do all objects form shadows? Not really. Here you can see puppets. Wayang puppets are made of opaque materials. They block light and shadows are formed behind them on the screen. Only the holes in the puppet allows the light to pass through them. The audiences means the people sees the shadows of the puppet from the other side of the screen. As you can see over there, the puppet blocks the light and forms what? A shadow. So students, stay on the same page. Let's go down and read. Will a piece of a clear plastic form a shadow on the wall when light shines on it? What do you think? A clear plastic can form a shadow? No, it cannot. Why? Because clear plastic is a transparent material. It cannot form a shadow. How about a piece of a baking paper? Baking paper is a translucent material. A little light can pass through it, so it can form a shadow. And a rubber pad. How about the rubber pad? Rubber pad is an opaque material, so it can form a dark shadow. We are going to follow the activity book pages as well in coming slides. So down, students, not all the objects form shadows. It depends on the material an object is made up of. A transparent material lets most of the light through it. So it does not form a shadow. You know it. An opaque material blocks the light and does not let any light through it. So it forms a dark shadow. A translucent material blocks some light and lets some light through it. It forms a shadow that is not as dark as that formed by an opaque material. Now, open your activity book, page number 72. You already did this page with me in the last lesson. I just want you to have a look. Which material are transparent, which one is translucent and opaque materials. You are going to continue page number 73 down with me while you're going to follow this page as well. Here we go for the next page in your activity book, page number 73, write the date. We're going to follow question number 4. Test your predictions by placing each object between a flashlight and a screen. Switch off the room light and shine the flashlight on the objects. Which objects they were talking about? The one you have written already on page number 72. Okay? And number 5, observe whether a shadow is formed by each object on the screen. You need to test that and then you're going to observe what will happen. Will it form a shadow or not? Number 6, record your observation in the last column of the table on page number 72. Let's follow some questions down on the same page number 73. Question number 7. From your observations, Which type of material, transparent or translucent or an opaque material, will form shadows? Yes, translucent and opaque materials will form shadows. Copy that. And then we are going to go for question number 8. Why do these type of materials form shadows? You know it. Because a translucent material blocks some of the light shining on it. An opaque material blocks all the light shining on it and does not let any light to pass through it, or you can say light through it. Okay? And question number 9, which type of material forms our darkest shadow? Darkest shadow is going to be formed from an opaque material. Copy that. Now students, click on that link, watch the video related to your lesson. Keep up the good work. See you in the next science session. Thank you all.